Life Choices of Central Michigan is a nonprofit, faith-based organization that works towards protecting life, sharing the truth, and empowering people to make healthy life choices. LCCM provides services through their medical clinic, parenting programs, post-abortive services, and their sexual health and relationship education program called SHARE. LCCM serves teens, women, men, families in the Central Michigan area. All the services at LCCM are free of charge and confidential. I had a range of responsibilities based on the needs of the organization each week. Primarily, I was assisting the parenting programs. I was responsible for running and monitoring the Joyful Beginnings Baby Boutique each day that I volunteered. This means that I would consult with the Empower Life parenting program instructors and mentors to see what items were needed by the clients so that I could provide the opportunity for clients to spend baby bucks in the baby boutique on things that they needed. I also worked closely with my supervisor to give an educated feedback, in my opinion, as a young mother on ways to improve and promote their parenting program usage and attendance. When needed, I also assisted the Sexual Health and Risk Avoidance Program to record and assess data received through their presentations conducted in middle and high school in the Central Michigan area, as well as at CMU. I was a part of a few different projects that LCCM conducted. However, my two favorite ones were rearranging the baby boutique and creating a baby binder for clients. The purpose of rearranging the boutique was to provide ease to parents as they shop for items for their child. Clothing sections were divided by size, style, and gender. Care items were separated into bathing, diapering, and feeding. All the items in the boutique were relabeled with easy and attractive to read labels. The purpose of the baby binder I created is to create organization of the client's child's information. In addition to the client using the binder, it is helpful for other parents and grandparents or other caregivers to use when the primary caregiver is unavailable. In connection to our textbook, on occasion the parenting program would experience challenging or unmotivated clients. The mentors and I would work together to encourage mothers or fathers to purchase items for their child would need before making purchases of what they want. In this case, a few clients would not feel the need to purchase diaper cream over a new infant dress. Since learning about the helping process, I was able to guide the client to meet their child's basic needs before any additional wants. During lecture, we discussed the client as a whole person and all of the difficulties that the client faces, as well as the referral process. What we as professionals see as a problem may not be perceived as a problem through the client's eyes. LCCM provides a valuable but small amount of services to the Central Michigan area compared to the amount and variety of services available. Life Choices provides resources for human services agencies, organizations as well in the area. I experienced a few situations where I was in charge of helping a client find services to meet their needs. I realized the importance of building connections with other services to better serve the client of the organization. I had an amazing experience at LCCM completing my fieldwork time. However, one of the challenges I was faced with was being able to keep the baby boutique stocked with items that were of high demand. Periodically, I would check inventory and assess our needs. The challenge came with being able to restock items with inventory that was in storage. In this situation, I was able to meet with my supervisor to decide whether we could reach out to different organizations, churches, or if we had funding money to purchase the items that were needed. There were so many rewarding aspects during the time that I was at LCCM. The biggest reward I experienced was being able to watch the clients grow over the semester. I watched clients overcome difficult obstacles that they were faced with, learn new parenting skills and techniques, and most of all, I was able to see the confidence levels in parents grow.